The Daisy Foundation, an international program that rewards and celebrates the extraordinary clinical skills and compassionate care given by nurses every day, launched its individual award program at the Georgetown Public Hospital on Monday. The foundation, which is based in the United States of America, will allow nurses at the hospital to be selected by patients and their families to receive the award. This program is being offered by the foundation, which partners with the Northwell Health, a healthcare provider service. Alia Hassan, the Northwell Health Program Coordinator in Guyana, said nurses will be awarded as soon as January next year.
The Daisy Foundation being implemented in Guyana will hopefully bring inspiration to our nurses and prove to them how appreciative we are for all that they do. Nurses will be nominated by patients, and the Daisy Committee will then assess the number of nominations received. The nurse with the highest number of nominations will be the recipient of that award, which is inclusive of the Daisy Award Certificate, an honorary pin, and a Healer's Touch sculpture.
Hassan explained that the process for nurses to be nominated will be repeated every 2 months. The award will be presented on a quarterly annual basis after a local committee overviews the process. There will be a poster and a suggestion box at the hospital for patients and their families to recommend nurses. In addition, the families will be informed about the program. One of the many nurses who attended the launch held at the Cara Lodge Hotel at Quamina Street said she's excited for this initiative.
Over the past century, nurses are always pushed to the back burner. So with this, it can help motivate nurses so they can continue doing the best. That, okay, people are out there recognizing all the hard work you're doing. So yes, it's a great initiative. They will have to watch their attitude, their professionalism, and put the best foot forward, because they'll be watched not only by, the administration, doctors, relatives, but the patients too.
Meanwhile, the Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Narain Singh, said the Daisy Award will truly bring the strenuous work that nurses perform daily to the forefront. He said although there is a shortage of nurses in Guyana, there is optimal performance by every nurse, and that should be publicly appreciated.
Doctors don't function alone, they're administrators. In any healthcare institutions, nurses are an integral part of that team. And without the efforts of the nurses, the success and even the failure of any healthcare institution depends upon the nursing input. So they are important. A lot of time, the nurses, the works of the nurses or the duty, the accomplishment they've been sometimes get left back in the background. And we only see, when we see the news, you only see what the doctor did and what was this happening and so on. As was mentioned before, the nurses sometimes are just left back in the background. And it's time that we recognize our nurses.
The foundation was formed by the family of Patrick, who died of an immune-attacking disease. His family recognized the service offered by his nurses as he was in the hospital and decided to honor both Patrick's memory and the nurses by forming the Daisy Award program. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Lazeena Yearwood.